Now listen to part of a lecture in a biology class.
Organisms use many different strategies for survival. Some prey species use camouflage, to blend in with the environment, to avoid predators. Others do quite the opposite, and use bright and striking coloration, to stand out and be noticed. In the case of warning coloration, potential prey species often use bright colors, like reds, oranges, and yellows, or contrasting colors, like black and white, to advertise to their predators that they are distasteful or undesirable to eat. Poison dart frogs are classic examples of prey species that utilize warning coloration. As the name suggests, poison dart frogs are poisonous and lethal to predators, and even to humans. Most of them are brightly colored and have a wide range of patterns on their skin. Their bright coloration will warn predators to back off, and that they are toxic, so if a predator consumes them, it will become sick or harmed. It usually takes a single encounter for the naive predator to learn and associate the conspicuous markings or bright colors with the unpleasant experience they had while gobbling the poison dart frog the first time. So, whenever the predator sees those bright colors, it will never prey on it again. Another example of warning coloration is seen in monarch butterflies. While beautiful, the monarch butterfly's orange coloration serves as a warning to predators of its toxicity. These butterflies have toxins, which come from the milkweed they feed on, as a caterpillar. The milkweed gets stored in their bodies, and makes the butterfly taste really bad. The bright coloration of the monarch butterfly sends a warning to predators that it is foul-tasting and poisonous, so the bird will never try to consume the butterfly again. Warning coloration may not be the best method to defend against predators, but it can definitely make a predator think twice.
Using points and examples given in the lecture, describe how the poison dart frog and the monarch butterfly utilize warning coloration.